Welcome to Mariner's Point. A moving coil instrument has a resistance of 10 ohms and requires a current of 15 microampere to give full scale deflection. Calculate the resistance value of the resistor necessary to enable it to be used to measure current up to 25 ampere, voltage up to 500 volt. So in this question, we have to calculate the resistance value of the resistor necessary to enable it to measure current up to 25 ampere and voltage up to 500 volt. So first I will write data given in the question. What are the data given in the question? You can see on the screen resistance of the moving coil instrument denoted by Rg is given 10 ohm. Full scale deflection is given in galvanometer 15 microampere which is converted into ampere. Okay, 0.015 ampere. Okay, we have to calculate find shunt resistance to measure current up to 25 ampere, shunt resistance to measure voltage up to 500 volt. Okay, two things we have to calculate. Now a meter measuring up to 25 ampere to convert the galvanometer into an ammeter, we connect a shunt resistor in parallel with the galvanometer. You need to remember this. You have to measure a meter, so you have to convert it into a meter. Galvanometer will be converted into a meter. For that, we need to connect a shunt resistance denoted by RS in parallel with the galvanometer, and the formula for this is RS is equal to Ig into Rg divided by I minus Ig. I is given how much? 25 ampere. Simply we will put in the question Rg is given, so we can calculate shunt resistance for measuring current up to 25 ampere. This will be your answer. It is very simple. You have to remember only when galvanometer is converted into ammeter, shunt resistance formula is Ig into Rg divided by I minus Ig. Okay. Next, we have to measure voltmeter. So galvanometer will be converted into voltmeter. For that, we connect a resistor in series. And formula for this is you can write V minus Ig minus Rg. Value of everything is given. You have to simply put the value and you will get series multiplier resistance value. How much? 33.32 kilo ohm. So simply you have to two formula remember when you are going to convert into a meter and when you are going to convert into voltmeter. So when you are converting a meter, you have to connect galvanometer in parallel, and in when you are converting into voltmeter, you have to connect it into series.